Okay, this is the percent part homework for topic 12. The directions say, please show your work for every question. So let's make sure we do that. So number 1 says 44% of what number is 33? So we've been learning about different questions that have the word is and of. So whenever we're doing these types of questions, it's always going to be your percent out of 100, and if it says is a number, it's going to go on top, and if it says of something, it's going to go on the bottom. So hopefully that'll help you as you're working through these. So the first one, 44%, so you're going to put the percent out of 100 of what number, so of some number, we don't know, is 33. So the is goes on top. So you're just going to cross multiply to solve. So you'll be doing the same thing for this one. You're going to set up another proportion. Remember, the percent out of 100 is will go on top, and what you're looking for goes on the bottom. Number 3 says, you know that 26% of a number x is 39. You also know 53% of some number, y, is 91. So what's the value of x and what's the value of y? So I'm looking for two different things. So I'm going to divide my workspace in half. 26% of some number is 39. So the is going to go on top. I'm looking for that bottom number. So I'm going to cross multiply and get 26x. Cross multiply and get 3,900. Divide by 26 on both sides. And then I'm going to need my calculator. And I'm going to do 3,900 divided by 26, and I get 150. So you're going to set up same proportion over here, but this time we're looking for y. Okay, once you figure out what y is, they want you to compare the two, and they want to know which is greater. Is x greater or is y greater? That's what you'll put down here. All right, flip it to the back. Number 4 says, during a 5-year period, 56% of the snowstorms in a certain city caused power outages. So 33 did not cause power outages. So find the total number of snowstorms in the city over a 5-year period. Okay, well, if I know 56% cause power outages, it's 56% out of 100%. So what percent didn't cause power outages? Because I have a number of those. So what I would do is take 100% and subtract 56%. If you have trouble borrowing, do it on your calculator. 100 minus 56% would be 44%. Okay, so 44% didn't cause power outages, so I'm going to use that. 44% didn't cause power outages. So that was 33 of the storms. But we want to know how many storms were there in total. So that's why the x goes on the bottom. Then I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to get 44x, cross multiply, 3,300, divide by 44. Type that into your calculator. 3,300 divided by 44 would be 75 storms. That was a tough one. Okay, number 5. Connor and Maria are doing yard work for a neighbor. They make a total of $404.88. Since Maria works more hours than Connor, she's going to get 59% of the money. So how much is she going to make? So we've got to set up a proportion to find 59% of this total. So remember, 59% is out of 100. We're told this is a total, so that's going to go on the bottom, and you're going to have to find what percent or what is Maria going to get out of that $404. So you guys, you don't stop here. You've got to cross multiply and solve. Okay, number 6. Zach invests $5 in the stock market at the beginning of the week. Then he decides to invest another $15 at the end of the week. He loses half of his total investment. So how much money does he lose? Well, we've got to figure out what's 50% of his total investment. So the total is going to go at the bottom. Well, he invested $5, then an additional $15. So in total, that's $20. So we want to know what's half of $20. So when you cross multiply, we'll get 100x. And this way we're going to get 50 times 20. If you're not sure, do it on your calculator. 1,000. Divide by 100. We're going to get $10 would be half of his money. Okay, hope this helps.